Hey guys!
Okay, try again.
Wait, am I supposed to be smiling?
Whatever you want.
Hey guys, welcome to Jen's channel. Gucci.
You were. Good morning, guys. We're gonna eat. I want to make banana bread. Can you see yourself? Say hi. Say hi first. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Can you say hi, Ninang?
Hi.
Where's Ninang?
Nang.
Where's Ninang?
Nang.
Say hi, Ninang.
Hi. Nang.
I wish I got that on video. Why do you do that?
You smile. Look. Look. Mommy's right here. Oh no.
Minsan, pag alam niya, ginagawa niya sa umaga. Give her a hug. Give her a hug.
Yeah? Tissue? Dirty. Oh, good job.
There's more.
You want more? You want 8 cake? You have more?
No.
You got throw it in the garbage. Come on, please. No, that one right there.
This one too. Here, this one too.
We got more.
There's more.
One more.
Oh, one more over there. There's more here. Here, there's more. There's more. Okay, there's more.
That one in the garbage. That one. See?
Oh no.
Garbage is there.
Yay! Good job.
Good job.
Take all the off.
Good job. High five.
We got donuts.
So, I might be biased, but I think I have the best boyfriend in the world. What do you think? And it's not even because he vacuumed and washed my car. That's just one of the...
And an oil change.
Oh, and the oil change. I forgot about that. So he washed my car, vacuumed out my car, it's completely clean, and he did an oil change on my car. And let me just show you. So clean. I guess I should probably do laundry. There we go.
All right, tell them where we're going.
Yes,
Tell them where you're going. Look at that.
so, I don't care.
All right.
Don't be a baby about it.
How's it feel?
First of all, when we first got here, I was getting in every single shot. We didn't even start the game until I got like at least 5 in. And then I was pretty close to winning.
You seem out of breath.
I just need water. It's okay. I like the exercise. While you just stand here being lazy. So we're back home now. We're about to eat some dinner. Probably going to eat spaghetti because Axel's mom's spaghetti is like the best ever. And we're probably gonna prepare some things for lunches for tomorrow. So we are about to head to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!